Ready to learn how to do the perfect wash and go and night routine, keeping your hair and those curls beautifully nourished, all while using inexpensive products that you can get from your local Walmart or Target? Well, I'm here to show you. All right, guys, here we go.
My boobies, girl. Look at my boobies.
Welcome to my first ever hair vlog. I'm so glad to have you guys tuning in and watching. I'm just here right now showing you my different curl patterns. I have about 3 or 4 different curl patterns in my hair, but I think I'm a 4C, 4B, somewhere in there. But I'm just showing you, my hair is freshly washed in this video. I just got off the shower and I'm just letting you see what my curls look like in my curl definition. So one thing I love to use is peppermint oil on my scalp. I don't typically put real oils on my hair, but I love to use peppermint oil, and it's like $2 from the beauty supply store. I'm also going to be using Carol's Daughter's hair cream, Pantene Curly Custard, Argan Oil by Cream of Nature for intensive conditioning, as well as some coconut oil that I got, coconut conditioner, from Target that I bought. I love coconut conditioner, and the mecca of all hair products and oils, Talia Wajid Healing Oil. It's really good for the winter time and dry hair. So, first thing I do is I just put the oil through my hair. Like I said, I only put peppermint oil on my scalp, but I do oil my hair first, putting the Talia Wajid on. But once again, only peppermint oil on my scalp. I just love the way it feels, I love the tingle, and it's really light and it doesn't clog my pores. Next thing is I use the Cream of Nature Intensive Conditioner, and I just run a little bit through. Next part is to section your hair off, and I really have no right or wrong way about it. I just pull hair and section it off. And of course, I'm going to detangle my hair in sections. I always start at the roots first. And like I said, I just got out the shower, so my hair is really wet in this video. And so don't be fooled and think, oh, she can comb her hair while dry. I can't at all. So I am going to slow the video down a lot for you right here because I want to make sure that everyone can see this. This is the most important part. Here I am taking the Talia Wajid oil and I'm running it through the back of my hair. I will do this for every section. The most important part is I want you to see that I'm combing those products through my hair, which also helps to change my curl pattern, but it keeps my curls like individually moisturized, and it helps give curl definition. Most importantly, I always focus on the ends because I want to make sure that we're locking that moisture and the products into the end and we're sealing our curling pattern. Next step is to take your Carol's Daughter, and your Pantene Curly Custard, and just run it through. There's no particular order, but we're just running the products through, raking them through. And notice, even though the whole back of my hair is a section, I've still broken that up into 2 separate sections because the most important thing, again, is we want to make sure all of the hair is getting enough product. And what I'm doing here is just showing you, like, once the product is in my hair, my curl definitions start to change, but I can see something's a little wrong. It's not usually how it is, so that means the back of my hair was a little extra dry today. So I'm going back with the Carol's Daughter, running my product through again, because I can feel it. I can feel when it feels pretty, when it feels dry. And I want to make sure it's right. Adding a little more conditioner, and now you'll see it. There we go. There we go. Yeah, you can see it when the product's actually in. The curls get more defined and more luxurious, and the shine comes through. So like I said, I really have no particular order. I just section it, however, pulling hair, bringing it down. Always comb it first, starting at the ends, working up to the roots. Putting on that Talia Wajid oil next, and in no particular order, the coconut cream, the Carol's Daughter, and the Pantene Curly Custard. Raking it through constantly with my fingers like a comb. And like I said, when you rake it through with your fingers, it helps to give your hair and evenly distribute the product more, and it gives, of course, nourishes your hair a lot better when the product is evenly distributed. And one of the best parts is when you comb your hair first, of course, that makes raking your fingers through a lot easier. So, and it is going to look like I'm putting a lot of product in my hair, and I am. I have thick hair, so I can't do a quarter amount or a dime amount. That doesn't exist in a thick hair girl's world. That doesn't exist. And also, I was actually headed to Germany, and I was bringing no hair products. So this hairstyle had to last for the 3 days and all the travel time and everything. again with the Talia Wajid oil, but I'm telling you guys, it's amazing, especially in the winter. And like I said, I was headed to Germany and it was 29 degrees there, so I definitely needed my hair to be hydrated, moisturized, and looking fabulous. So I'm taking my time, sectioning it in any kind of way, but making sure that there's product in my hair and curl definition. You can get all these products, by the way, at Walmart. I got the coconut custard at Target. It was on sale, $2 or $3. It's amazing. It smells amazing. The Pantene you can get at Walmart. The Carol's Dart is probably the only thing. Actually, a friend gave that to me. It was too thick for her hair. So she gave it to me. So and that's another thing. I use products that are thicker. I have thick hair, so I can't just use products like, unfortunately, Mixed Chicks is not my thing. It's not thick enough for my hair, and it does nothing. Whereas, so Carol's Daughter, I'm more of a fan of because it's thicker and it's good for my hair. My hair eats product, so I have to feed it. Feed it product because it eats product. And like I said, it's going to look like I'm putting a ton, and I am, but I have thick hair anyway, so I can't really say I put this much in because I was going to Germany. I feel like I do this all the time. But look how I am. Here I am raking it through again. Constantly raking the product through, checking it. And you can feel it. You can start to feel what has product and what doesn't. Now what I'm going to do next is just take some of that Cream of Nature Intense conditioner and just finish my hair off one final time. And of course, a little hair comes out, and that's totally okay. And this is a night routine for me, guys. So let's say, you know, I have to be out 8 a.m. the next morning. That's totally fine. This video actually took me quite a lot of time to film. It's my first vlog, so bear with me. But my hair had dried a lot by this time just from redoing stuff over and over. But typically, I would just squeeze the water out. And my hair is typically dry in the morning. So here I am, guys. I'm just showing you how I can part my hair. Most times I wear my hair like this because I'm always trying to cover my forehead. But now I'm trying to let that thing shine through and let my head be the star of the show. So I am trying middle parts now. And because this is my night routine, I am trying to keep that length. So I'm pulling my hair back and I'm pulling the hair in the middle. I'm pulling out and pulling it back before I put this head tie on. And that's going to help with length. Have one of the black scrunchies. They're not too tight. It's loose, so you don't have to worry about damage or breakage or anything. And I know some girls, some women, they are just, religious when it comes to their satin scarves. I'm not. I'm a quitter, so I simply just put my head towel on, but you guys are more than welcome to put your satin scarves around your edges and put a head towel on. And I got this towel too for like $6 from Target, and I just feel like it's a lifesaver. All right, I'm ready. Sleep time. Well, so the next morning I simply just take my towel down. Looks like I should have worn a satin scarf. Look at my edges. Oh my God. Yeah, my hair is a little damp, not too damp, and this is how it would look if I just wanted to walk out and go. Looks fine, you know, you could just fluff it out a little bit and go, but I like drama and I like volume. So, I have a diffuser and the claw. And I simply just, what I love about the claw most is it gets inside of the curls. It gets inside of your hair and it helps to scrunch, but to keep the curl patterns. And I do this on low and a medium setting. And to be honest, this whole thing takes about 10 or 15 minutes. So now you can see that I have volume, tons and tons of volume. I already had volume, but now I got a little bit more, a lot more. And the next part is to take the diffuser and simply pull. As you'll see in the video, I'm going to be holding the curls at the bottom, but pulling them down and drying them with the diffuser. Because now I want to add more length. I have volume, but now I want to hold length. Have length. And there's no right or wrong way of doing this. Like I said, sometimes I start in the back, sometimes I start in the front, and it doesn't matter. There I am holding the bottom of my curls, but pulling for length. But I'm also making sure my hair lengths are different all over. So if you can see, the very back of my hair is short. So while I'm pulling the length in the front, I have to be careful not to straighten out the curls that are in the very, very back. In the kitchen, I gotta leave the kitchen alone. So that I am very careful of. And like I said again, this all takes about 10 or 15 minutes. And when it's done, you have length, you have volume, and it's really beautiful, and you're ready to go. And like I said, we're gonna see how long this hair will actually last. I will be posting a video of my time in Munich. I went to a Playboi Carti concert, so hopefully you guys will tune into that and you can see if the hair lasted or not. But there you guys, so that's how I typically wear my hair, to the side. But like I said, I'm trying to let my head be the star, so my part is in the middle. But lots of volume, lots of definition, lots of bounce. It's beautiful. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you will subscribe and watch more videos. It's been fun, guys.